Nature's Garden Manly Man Fragrance Oil. Be a true manly man with this fragrance oil by Nature's Garden. This scent begins with robust citrus notes intermingled with subtle touches of clean, classic rose petals infused with smoldering hot notes of frankincense and myrrh, and lifting the bar with base notes of cashmere woods, sandalwood, and sensual musks. Finishing with a soft, powdery dry down. A Nature's Garden original fragrance. Our customers create masculine products with this fragrance oil, including distinguished decorative candles, hunky homemade soaps, bold bath and body products, and robust room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.